If you're over 60 and stairs have become something you avoid, this is for you. Picture this. You're standing at the bottom of a staircase. Maybe it's in your home, maybe at a friend's house, maybe at a clinic. You look up and hesitate. Your knees ache. Your hips feel tight. You grab the railing harder than you used to. Halfway up, you're out of breath, and you wonder, when did this get so hard? Here's the truth most people never hear. It's not just your joints. It's not just aging. It's muscle loss. After 50, we lose muscle faster every year. It has a name, sarcopenia, and it quietly weakens the exact muscles you need to climb stairs, your quadriceps, your glutes, and your hip stabilizers. When those muscles shrink, stairs feel like a mountain. But here's the good news. Muscle can come back. Not in years, in weeks. Research shows progressive strength training can reverse muscle loss in as little as 6 weeks. Not bodybuilding, not extreme workouts, just focused, consistent strength work. And the people who regain confidence on stairs all do one thing. They train the movements that matter. Today, I'm giving you 3 exercises. Simple, safe, powerful. Do them at home, no gym required. Because climbing stairs isn't just about steps, it's about independence. It's about staying in your home. It's about saying yes to life instead of avoiding it. Let's get to work. Exercise 1, the slow sit to stand. This one is foundational. It targets your quadriceps and glutes, the engines that lift you up every step. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet shoulder width apart, slightly behind your knees. Stand up, but don't rush it. And when you sit back down, go slow, 3 to 4 seconds down. Control it. Don't drop. That slow descent is where the magic happens. It builds real strength, the kind that protects your knees, the kind that carries you upstairs without fear. Do 10 reps, 2 or 3 times a day. And here's the rule. No rocking, no momentum. If you swing yourself up, your muscles don't learn. Control builds strength. Speed hides weakness. Master this and you rebuild your foundation. Exercise 2, the lateral step up. Now we train balance and stability because stairs aren't just about power, they're about control. Stand beside a small step. Even 4 inches is enough to start. Place one foot on the step. Push through that leg and bring the other foot up. Step back down sideways. Repeat. The top leg does the work. This targets the gluteus medius, the muscle on the side of your hip that keeps you from wobbling or falling when you shift your weight. That's exactly what happens on every stair. Do 10 to 20 reps on each side. You may notice one leg feels weaker. Good, that's information. That's where you focus. Strength is built one side at a time. Exercise 3, the step down. This one changes everything. Going downstairs is actually harder than going up. It requires your muscles to lengthen while working, what we call eccentric strength. And that's where most people feel pain or fear. Stand on a step facing forward. Slowly lower one foot to the floor. Keep your weight on the top leg. Tap down, come back up. Slow, controlled, deliberate. That's 1 rep. Do 10 to 20 per leg. When it feels easy, add light weights. This movement directly trains your body to go downstairs safely. It teaches your muscles to absorb force instead of collapse under it. Consistency here doesn't just build strength, it rebuilds confidence. Now, let me give you one technique you can use today. Most people climb stairs wrong. They pull on the railing or they push straight up. Both make it harder. Instead, lean slightly forward from your hips as you step up. Just a small lean. This shifts your center of gravity over the step. Suddenly, gravity helps you instead of fighting you. It feels lighter, more stable, safer. Try it once. You'll feel the difference immediately. Here's what I want you to remember. You are not too old. You are undertrained, and that's fixable. You don't need perfect form. You don't need heavy weights. You don't need an hour a day. You need consistency. 10 controlled reps, a small step, a few focused minutes. Small effort, repeated daily. That's how strength returns. The body can rebuild at 60, at 70, at 80, but only if you give it a reason to. So stop avoiding the stairs. Train for them. Reclaim them. Because every step you climb is more than movement. It's independence. It's confidence. It's proof that you're still capable. Start today. And in a few weeks, you won't just see stairs. You'll see strength.